We'll guide you through how to monetize an Instagram account. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you're wanting to get started with monetizing your Instagram account. Come to your profile page. So you can tap on the icon in the bottom right, either your profile icon or it looks like a user icon, and be brought here. Come to the top right and you're going to go and find the three lines like this. Now you need to go and scroll down, all the way down, and you need to go and find account status. Now, as you can see, we need to go through here and you may go and see an option for monetization. If you do, great. If you don't worry, we can go and get that now. Your Instagram account needs to be a professional account. So scroll through your settings. It shouldn't actually be too far from the bottom. And you need to find account type and tools and tap there. At the moment, the account type is personal. We need to go and switch to a professional account. So I'll tap there. As you can see at the bottom, we can then get paid when you become eligible for features such as bonuses and subscriptions. So you can press next, choose if you want to go and display on your profile and what you best describes you, and press switch. You can then choose what type of professional you are. I could go for creator and press next. I'll press not now. And you can go and continue setting it up, but I'll press the cross for now. Then what you can do is press the three lines again in the top right, keep going until you go and get down again and you find the option for account status and you can tap there. You can go and see there's now the option for monetization and you can tap on it and you can go and see what you're currently eligible for. So at the moment we're eligible for branded content. Yours can go and be different though, depending upon different things. And so there are different ways in which you can monetize.